Welcome to another session of Smarter Business Tips at 10. Today's session is all about branded short URL links. What is a link shortener? What do I mean by branded? And what do I mean by tracking? So I'll get straight into it. Now, if you think that this business tip is going to add value, give us a thumbs up. That's awesome, love it, spread the word. So, a URL shortener is simply where the software takes a link like that, which is incredibly long, and shortens it down to that. So you can email it, send out messages, so forth. So that's fantastic, and Google URL Shortener has been around for quite some time. Since March the 30th, it's being decommissioned. So if you've got an existing account, you can still use it, but you cannot set up a URL account, a new account. Here's the thing. Great that it shortens the URL, but it doesn't help your branding at all. It just doesn't. So the software we use that will help you with your branding, and you're going to be able to track how many clicks you get through. And that's the advantage of using this software. You can create a link, brand it, and track the clicking through. So I'll show you how it works. So these are my Google reviews. Great that we've got so many reviews, all 5-star, fantastic. That's just me showing off, but look at the length of that link. And I'm not able to track how many people click when I send out a link. So here's what it looks like when we've used our branded software. Short.smarterwebsites.com.au, Google reviews. So it actually names what it is. So we use this in emails. I'll just show you quickly one of those emails. So when I'm touching base with a client for the first time, if we're local, I want to promote the fact that we're local as well. So I've got a link through to my map. I also then have a link through to my Google reviews, and I want to show off that we're an Australian-based team, and there's a link through to my team page. So my team page URL is actually not that long anyway, if I just sent out the normal link, but I want to track how many people click on this when I send this email out. So not only that, we offer a free website and SEO audit. So I've created link tracking for that. So that is a bit hard to see, but it's short.smarterwebsites.com.au/web-report-e. The E denoting that this link is only in this email, so I can specifically track the click-throughs. Make sense? So that's one way we use it. Now another way, another situation is we've got a direct debit request form online. Again, the URL's a little bit ugly. So over here, you can see we only just created this a week or so ago. Direct debit. So it actually makes sense what the link is, what it relates to. So I can just copy that and then paste it in an email, or I can share it on a social platform and so forth. You get in this particular software to name the link title, so everything makes sense. So a year or so down the track, you know exactly what what everything is. Now there's a whole host of other elements that you can do. Now the software that I'm actually using is at the free level. There is no charge. You can upgrade to a paid plan. I'll show you that shortly. So let's go through other scenarios. So these are all my links. So I'm being totally transparent here. So let's scroll down a little bit. My reviews on Facebook only had 5 click-throughs. My Google reviews get a lot more click-throughs. I can share this via social media platforms direct. And if we just have a look at the stats, so this is the sort of useful information that you can get. How many redirects, how many clicks on by humans, where the clicks came from, whether it's Facebook or direct, what countries, what browsers, and whether it's mostly on a desktop or a mobile. So depending on how you're using this software, the amount of information that you can get is really good, and this is at the free level. So there's a whole other layer of sophistication with the paid plans. So I'll just show you the name of the software. So it's called Short.cm. Absolutely brilliant stuff. Now we'll just quickly run through some of the features and the integrations. So there's a whole host of elements that can be done with this, multiple domains and subdomains. You'll need to get your webby to set up a what they call CNAME, and I've used short.smarterwebsites. You can use yes.yourdomainname or whatever it is you so choose. Your webby will have to do that for you. A lot of detailed statistics as I've gone through. And you can set up team links, geo-targeting and so forth, and have the link expire as well, which could be useful for special offers. But again, you'd have to upgrade to a paid plan for that. It integrates with Zapier, and there's a whole other level of stuff that you can integrate it with there. We don't bother. The Google Chrome browser extension is particularly handy. So there's the plans. As I said, I'm happy with the free plan, but that's the sort of decision that I make when I'm choosing the software that I use to do certain functions. Is it easy to set up and manage? Is it cost effective, as in can you get a free plan initially, but then if you want to upgrade at a later stage, will it do other sophisticated elements? So, and this certainly fits that. So Short.cm is a winner. That's back to all my links, and that's it. That's a wrap. So I'm hoping that that is added value and will make a difference for you. So if you think a friend or a colleague will benefit from this, give us a thumbs up. That's awesome. Love it. Spread the word. I'll also load this video along with the transcript to my website, so you can just go to smarterwebsites.com.au and you can check out this and hundreds of other blog posts. I hope that helps. If you need any help, give me a shout out. So that's Peter Butler from Smarter Websites. Go and work smarter.